In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create saved replies in Intercom. If you handle a lot of similar questions or need to keep your messaging consistent across a team, saved replies are a simple way to reply faster without sacrificing quality. I'll walk you through creating one from scratch and share a few practical tips along the way so you can set it up once and use it whenever you need. First, open your Intercom inbox. This is where you manage all incoming conversations. From the main navigation, head into Inbox and choose any conversation to work from. It can be a new message, an open thread, or even a test conversation you've sent to yourself. Opening a real conversation helps you preview how your saved reply will look in context right next to the message composer where you'll use it later. Next, look for the saved replies icon near the message box. It often appears as a chat bubble or template icon in the composer toolbar. Click it to open the saved replies panel. This is your library of responses. If you already have some set up, you'll see them listed here. If not, that's totally fine. We're about to create your first one. Now, create a new saved reply. Click the option labeled Create or New Saved Reply. You'll see fields for a title and the message content. For the title, keep it short and descriptive so it's easy to find later. Think in terms of the question or scenario it solves, like account verification steps or shipping delay update. In the message content, write the full text you want to send. Keep the tone consistent with your brand and make sure it's clear and complete. If your team supports personalization, leave space for details you'll customize before sending, such as a first name or a specific order number. Consider adding a brief closing line that invites a reply like, "Let me know if you need anything else," to keep conversations friendly and open. When you're happy with the title and content, click Save. Your new saved reply is now stored in your library and ready to use. The next time you're in a conversation, open the saved replies icon, pick the one you created, and it will drop right into the message box. Give it a quick glance to personalize any details, then send. That's all there is to it. Simple, consistent, and fast. With a few well-named replies in your library, you'll save time on every conversation while keeping your responses polished and on brand.